Hello, Dan.
Hello.
So, which is your first memory related to dance?
My first memory related to dance would be probably at a sort of disco in Newmarket, where I grew up, which is this small horse racing town, at the Working Man's Club, and it was a disco, and the DJ was going to give out a prize for the best dancer, and I was copying someone. I'll show you the move. And I thought it was really cool.
So, if you have defined today dance in 3 movements,
Today's dance, like dance in general.
or your dance?
Oh, my dance. Okay.
Just 3
Three
movements.
movements would be maybe this. maybe this. And maybe well, I do this one in my show, so I do this kind of thing. This move. Yeah. I'm going to stay here just in case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, our third question is the soundtrack of your life. You can sing it if you want.
Soundtrack of my life. Wow, you're coming up with some toughies here. It would be like, really soft, kind of melancholy, a bit like I played in the workshop. Melancholy, piano, really soulful stuff. I can't really sing that. You just have to imagine. Niels Fram is like my favourite. I was playing something there. So listen to Niels Fram. And then it would be like stuff to get you going. So I really like kind of dance floor music at the moment. So and house and things. And who do I like best with that? God, I need my iPod. I'm a victim of the modern world. My memory's terrible. But yeah, I just played Tears. I'm Not Dancing, and I love that track.
Okay, and the last question is with whom would you like to dance with?
I'd like to dance with my girlfriend right now because she's in Scotland at the Edinburgh Festival and I'm in Italy, and it'd be really nice to have a little dance just now. Yeah.
In this romantic place.
It's so romantic, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.